ready.
Alright. So Keaton did this very easily.
And my dad is probably not.
But since I'm a little bit bigger than Keaton, I'll see if I can fit.
I just am like my dad, except I did not go up that high.
How tall are you, Keaton?
About 4 feet.
Yep. How tall am I?
6 feet.
Yep. So, who has to go higher?
Me.
Goofball.
And that's how you not do it.
Well said, Keaton. All right, you can turn around and show them where we're going.
We are going in this slot canyon.
Yep, we're in Blarney Slot in the Irish group off of Highway 95.
Okay, bye everybody. And